Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making Lomo Saltado. You will need 2 pounds of filet mignon, 2 tablespoons of aji amarillo sauce, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of canola oil, 1/2 of a red onion, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 Romo tomato, 1 bag of golden French fries, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and cilantro to garnish. Cook your French fries and set them aside until later. To your beef, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Now mix until your beef is well coated. In a separate bowl, combine the remaining 4 tablespoons of soy sauce and your white vinegar. Add the aji amarillo sauce, then whisk until well combined. Add the oil to the wok and using medium-high heat, bring to temperature. Now cook your beef for 4 minutes, then remove it from the wok. Saute the onions for 2 minutes or until just translucent. Now add the ginger and continue cooking for an additional minute. Return the beef to the wok, then add the tomatoes. Now add the sauce, then your French fries, then mix until your fries are well coated. Turn off your heat, and now it is ready to serve. If you're looking to try something different, then give this Peruvian dish a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps.